This is the video tutorial dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called Calendar New Tab. So this Calendar New Tab is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The trouble with this extension is that it is often spread through integration with many free applications. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this extension gets installed, it changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission. So if it was installed like that, without your permission, you need to get rid of this extension by accessing the menu, then More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and delete them right away. So this is the manual solution to get your browser fixed. I also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threads which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threads which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threads can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.